Diamond's back. I wanted to do a video on the Maxim Crochet Club of the Month. I believe this one is for either May or June. I just started getting them again after a brief stint of not being able to. So yeah, if you want to see what we got this month, stay tuned. Okay, so first coffee, always. Nummy. Anyway, so knit club of the month, I believe is $18.99. And of course, once a month. Sometimes it's stuff you want, sometimes it's stuff you don't, because you never know what people like. I saw mixed reviews last month before I decided to continue getting the subscription. And I said, well, why not? I was pretty happy with this month. Not about the project or the yarn, it's what come with it. So here we go. All right, guys. So this is the Knit Club of the Month pattern. Right here, it's a hat. Okay. All right. I love how they send them in these plastic bags with zippers. Perfect project bags. Love it. Anyway, so here is our pattern right there. And here's a close-up view of the stitch used, I guess. I haven't really looked at the pattern yet. I'm going to set this down. And you may see binks in the background. Never know. Okay, so let's see. So we got 5 pages of instructions, 3 actually. And it looks like you can either do the hat, or what I showed you on the back there was the wrap. It's pretty cute, huh? That's the pattern number, backwards of course. But yeah, seems pretty cool. Hook size is 7 and a J. 7 for the hat, a J number 10 for the wrap, which you could do any size you want, really, depending on how flowy you want it. Okay, so that's the pattern. This is the yarn. It's called Chai Latte. It's the number 3. It is called Comfy Cotton Blend. I've seen a lot of it out there. Never really bought it, I don't believe. I'm not sure. There's no telling, really. I mean, because I've had so much yarn. But anyway, here we go. Yep. Chai latte, and looks like you need a size 7 knit needle or a J crochet hook. It is made of, okay guys, you know you're getting old when you gotta wear glasses over your glasses, okay? Getting old, but that's okay. It is 50% cotton and 50% polyester. Yep. It is. It's really pretty though. Yeah. There we go. Sorry for all the bright light. Let's see if I can shadow it. Yeah, that's really pretty. Not sure if I'm gonna make the hat, of course, because I knit hats. but I may, no, I probably won't make a shawl either. Not with those patterns. But anyway, let's get on to the other part, which is the part that I really liked about the kit. Okay. So, haven't opened it yet. This is what we got in our kit. A yarn bowl. They can be pricey sometimes. I'm not sure about the value of this kit compared to retail prices. So, I mean, I get it because it's a little surprise. And I like surprises. But anyway. Oh, it looks like it comes in this little gorgeous velvet bag. Looky there, we're feeling fancy today. Okay. Red velvet. And gold. So, oh, it's got these little cute little tie pulls. Anyway, so I'm going to open it up. It's cute, guys. Telling you. So, once I open it up, we're going to pull it out of the box. It's very secure in there. Okay, so here it is. Look at that bag. This is definitely going to be a project bag, guys. Most definitely. Okay, what do we got in the bag? We have a bowl, of course. What is this? Just cardboard on the bottom? It's got a little cardboard bottom, guys. Isn't that cute? Okay. So, this is the bowl. Oh, look at it. Isn't it so pretty? It's got some papers and stuff in there. Look at that. Oh, there's a little scoofy, but whatever. I don't care. And that's the bottom. And let's see what it's inside. Oh. Alright, guys. You can't have a package without the little, you know, moisture blocker thing. Throw those away. Don't let your dogs eat them. Or your cats. It'll hurt them. Or your kids. Yeah, keep it away from everybody. Anyway, so we got this little wooden tree. Look at that. Gorgeous. It'll go on my yarn tree this year. Wasn't able to have a yarn tree last year. The inside of the bowl is very smooth. Well made. Really nice. Looks a little bit like this one down here. But that one has a lid, and I paid over $20 just for that bowl. So the price must be there. You know, the value. Then you get this little, oh, it's a hat. Look at that, guys. I'm going to turn it so the glare isn't as bad. Yeah, needle gauge and a ruler. It's so cute. Look like a hat. It's nice. Then it's got a card in here that says, "How did we do? Thank you for your business." And this is from Fashion Knit. I know it's backwards, but yeah. I'll figure out how to flip it, I guess. I don't know. But anyway, so yeah. A cute little bowl and bag. It's what we got for our knit crochet club of the month this month. And I believe it would be June. No, May. April, May, June. One of those. Okay? And there we go. All pulled up. Look at that. Alright, guys. I don't know if y'all can hear it or not, but poor little Chunk. He's wanting out the room. I had to put him down for a nap. He was rambunctious. But yeah. We got yarn in a bowl. But anyway, guys. if you like the video and you want to see more like it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Lets me know what you like, what you don't like. If you want, you can subscribe. It's free. $3.99. It's free. Yeah, and if you want, leave a comment. Tell me what you would make with this yarn. Would you make the hat, the shawl, or something totally different? I like to go through and read what y'all have to say. So yeah. And we've come to that part of the video, the end, where I always tell you, please tell the people in your life you love them. Because you never know if you're ever going to get another chance. All right, guys. Bye.